What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a Wi-Fi extender. Now, y'all know, if y'all saw my my bird kiss bird feeder review where I was trying to get connection outside because that bird feeder has a camera, you know I was having connections issues. So now we are looking into outdoor routers. That's where we landed at with this one. Now it says on the description, it says outdoors and indoor use, but as I search this whole description, I do not see waterproof on it. I am looking up, down, left, right, through all the corners of this features and details. I do not see waterproof. Right now I am going to just try to find a spot for it outside, maybe somewhere under the deck, maybe, or somewhere where it don't get oversaturated with water when it rains. That's the only issue with it being outside. Usually when y'all doing like smart devices and stuff like that, a lot of times it requires 2.4 gigahertz. This do have dual band, so it does 2.4 and it does 5 gigahertz. At 2.4, this does 300 megabytes per second. At 5 gigahertz, it does 1200 megabytes per second. Alright, you guys, and this thing says easy to install. So step 1, it says plug in your Wi-Fi extender and wait for 30 seconds. Step 2, scan and select your host router to connect, which is your home router. And then step 3 is set up your extended SSID and password. So you will have to set up your own password for this in case you have guests coming over, y'all outside. Somebody say, hey, what's your Wi-Fi? Maybe they have better connection on Wi-Fi, blah, 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 blah. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. I know y'all done me talking all this stupid tech stuff, right? It's a decent size. Got cool little antennas on it. Plug right here. Alright, you guys, so I am actually connecting the router, the extender right now. So what I did first was I looked for the network, which is Wi-Fi Pro. If you do regular Wi-Fi Pro, then that should be the 2.4 gigahertz. If you do the Wi-Fi 5G Pro, it will say 5G Pro when you open up your internet app on your phone. You will see the 5G on it. So right now I just did the regular 2.4G since most of my outdoor wireless stuff is 2.4 connection. Alright, so now I already hit that. Now it's asking me to extend the signal of your home Wi-Fi network. So now I have to find my home Wi-Fi network, which is my 2.4 gigahertz network. You don't want to hook it up to your 5 gigahertz network. You want to hook up to your 2.4 home network. So I'm going to hook it up to my home network. Alright, so I renamed it to extension outside. So lot extension outside. That's what I called mine. And the password was, I don't even remember. Let me put in my regular Wi-Fi password. Alright, you guys, I'm going to get to the nitty gritty of this stuff. Alright, so I want to say that this Wi-Fi extender is good. It's connected so quick. It's crazy. I am outside. I have full bars on my Wi-Fi. It's full bars. Like, I am clearly outside. I have the extender here. I am connected directly to it. Now, when I did my bird kiss video, my camera bird feeder video, my Wi-Fi extender on that video was having trouble connecting. So right now I am going to get that bird feeder to see if I could get a good connection with this extender, and if it is, I'm gonna say that this extender is perfect. Alright, you guys, let me go ahead and get my bird feeder and let's go ahead and get into some connection. Y'all don't do what I do because on this channel we take risks. So I left it out in the rain and it's still good. 3 green lights are still on. It rained 2 days straight, alright? This is connected to my water timer. It's connected to both, not both, my water timer, my Atomi lights, and it's connected to my camera on the bird feeder. And I still have good connection with this outdoor / indoor Wi-Fi extension. So this thing is amazing. So if you have any other questions, comments, concerns with this one, please put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible.